Welcome everyone to the Organelle Anatomy Awards. Thank you. My name is Emma Montgomery and I am nominating the vacuole for the most important Organelle Anatomy Award. The vacuole has many functions that the cell relies on. It stores food, water, and waste. I believe it is the most important organelle because the cell functions with the nutrients the vacuole produces and stores. My 3D model is this Quick Trip cup because it stores water like the vacuole. My organelle is more important than the lysosomes. Its function is to break down larger food molecules into smaller ones. The vacuole is found in both plant and animal cells, whereas this one is only found in animal cells. How sad. It is also more important than the ribosomes. It is the smallest producing organelle, only producing proteins, whereas mine produces and stores the three main nutrients, food, water, and waste. Thank you all for your time and consideration.
My name is Darius and I am nominating the nucleus for the most important organelle. It acts as a brain for the cell and contains the DNA needed to make the cell what it is. It is more important than the cell wall because all that does is protect plant cells, whereas you can find the nucleus in all cells and it controls them much like a mayor controls a city, as in this example here. See that? Right there. Yeah, that's the mayor. Don't judge me. And this is a model of what the inside of a nucleus looks like, more or less. Thank you for your time and consideration.
Hi, I'm Emily. I'm nominating the cell membrane for the most important organelle anatomy award. The cell membrane is the overall security guard of the cell, much like a coffee filter. It brings the muscle. It lets some things in and some things can't come in. Also, it acts as a barrier to all the uncontrolled water around the cell. The cell membrane is way better than any lysosome you've ever met. Yeah, sure, they're important to intercellular digestion, but that's all they do. And all they do is sit around and wait for bacteria so they can digest it. The cell membrane is always working, always protecting the cell. The cell membrane is 1,000 times better than any ribosomes. The ribosomes deliver proteins to the cell, but mostly the cell membrane. Without the cell membrane, ribosomes would be jobless and frowned upon in the cell community. Thank you for your time and consideration.
Hi, my name is Hannah Merchant. I am nominating cytoplasm for the most important organelle award. Cytoplasm has one job, but it's a very important job. It is a substance carrier within the cell. This is important because cytoplasm practically contains every cell organism besides the nucleus. Also, all the function required for cell growth takes place in the cytoplasm. Think about it. Lysosome, an organelle that gets rid of waste, is important, but it does this in the cytoplasm. The same goes for ribosomes. An organelle used to synthesize proteins wouldn't be able to do its job without the cell soup, aka cytoplasm. For my model, I have decided to use Jell-O. I use Jell-O because, like cytoplasm, it is a thick, jelly-like substance. All in all, that is why I nominated cytoplasm for the most important organelle award. Thank you for your time.